Okay, thyroid update. I just got from the doctor at St. Camelos, and still mataas pa din yung thyroid hormones, hyperthyroidism ko from yesterday's results. So he gave me 30 milligram methimazole once a day. Actually dapat last month pa siya 30 milligrams, pero since breastfeeding pa ako noon, 20 lang. And now, since I stopped breastfeeding, 30 na lang daw kasi masyadong mataas yung hyperthyroidism ko. So 30 na. Pero hindi ko pa rin iinumin yung 30 kasi ayaw ko. Kasi may adverse effect daw yun sa katawan pag sumobra ka. So pag sumobra, pag masyadong mataas na dosage, yung 20 mataas na yun eh. So pag nag-30 pa, mas mataas pa yun. And may effect yun sa katawan. So ang effect daw nun is pag nagkaroon ka ng fever or like palalabo daw ng mata, pero malabo na talaga yung mata ko, and yellowing of skin and eyes, pag gano'n daw magpa-ER na ako kagad. So ayokong mangyari yun. Ayokong ma-ER at ayoko din mag 30 milligrams. Before pa, when I first found out about my hyperthyroidism, pag na sobrang taas yun, 99999 na nga yung results. Kasi sabi ng doctor, hindi na mabasa ng machine. Pero kahit 99999 na yun, 20 milligram lang binigay niya. Etong doktor lang na to, and bigay sa akin ng 30. Like, bukol sa mahal. Mahal kaya ang gamot, mahal ang maintenance. Ayoko, 20 lang inumin ko. Tapos magpropanolol pa daw ako para sa heartbeat ko kasi nga I'm having palpitations sometimes. Hindi naman na siya madalas eh. Hindi na ako nagtitik ng propanolol. Hindi ko nga naubos yung propanolol ko last time. So yun, matigas ang ulo ko. 20 lang, 20 pa rin ang inumin ko. Okay, so I have to repeat my FT3, FT4 and TSH thyroid test on 25th, and I have to see him again on 27th. Naman lang 1 month. Ay nako. Pero okay lang kasi libre naman ang aking checkups. Only the medicines are not free because I have health card from the company. So all my medical consultations and laboratory tests are all covered on my health card insurance from the company. So if there's something nice about this fucking company, it's the free insurance, health insurance, pero mababa lang, 75k nga lang yun eh. Kulang pa magpa-offer. So intended lang talaga siya for checkups and blood tests. Okay, I'm almost home. I'm going to see my baby, and I have to go back then kasi meron siyang consultation sa rehab. Hi, and it's her birthday today.